So I finally wake up and I got a cold. My voice changes suddenly. So welcome to my Saturday vlog. So first of all, I'm going to clean my room. So I'm done with my cleaning. So here is the table. Here is my clothes hangers and bed. I'm gonna eat my lunch. I just took shower after lunching, was showering, washing clothes. It's already 2 p.m. and my eyes are turning red. I don't know why. I'm gonna study a bit. I'm not done studying, but I felt hungry. अनि त्यही भएर मलाई भोक लाग्यो अनि म खाजा खान लागेको. I have bought this carbonara buldak tteokbokki. So I'm gonna try it. So I haven't tried it. This is my first time eating tteokbokki. Let's see. This cost me 345. So here's what it is. Spoon also. Let me boil some water first. Boil water. The microwave gonna panchatara. I don't have microwave, so let's leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's ready. So I'm gonna season it first. I don't like chili flavor in carbonara buldak, so I'm gonna add a little bit first and then try how it will taste. Then I will add more good. It's cute. First of all, I will add a little bit. First wash. I think I added way too much water.
Premium. You can watch that. You are now. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me, girl. Because we got us. You're killing me, girl.
I think the rice here itself is tasty.
Killing me, girl. Killing me, girl. You get nothing for the work. Who you should girl. Killing me, girl.
Is it me only, or I'm so obsessed with Chinese third vertical drama? Okay.
Only 2 a.m. I promise this is worth it. Remember to.
So that makes no sense, but it's interesting to watch. Guys, too addictive. I have watched too many.
就凭你这张脸，那想娶你的人，分头还得不委屈。
在公司盛世当天，
凤鸣集团，你不是成天嚷嚷着
那么好看，
你去看看啊？什么成本？那个资本家的。
One last bite.
我现在保准做不了，大哥摆出来了。现在问题。
咱们想到这些日子，
So thanks for watching till the end. अनि vlog चाहिँ धेरै लामो भइसक्यो अनि look at my hairstyle. हजुरले भइदिनु भएको हजुर मलाई फेरि यस्तो मनै पर्दैन नि त यस्तो होला भिडियो धेरै लामो भइसक्यो. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.